Would you like to know how to thrive in ministry work while building a profitable online business? Click the link below and learn how to follow your calling with purpose and confidence and create passive income. Now is the perfect time to jump into the online world and build something that can transform your life.
That's right. We've always had a dream and a desire to one day run our own online business. We are glad that some months ago, while listening to gospel music on social media, we clicked an ad and it was the right online business we had always wanted. We took action and joined the business.
Our online business is up and running, bringing us closer to our dreams than ever before. Thanks be to God for this business, as we have the opportunity to free up our time to do ministry work and make passive income.
If you're open to the idea of unlocking a new stream of income to pay off your debts and fulfill your dreams to do ministry work, click the link below to register with your name and email address. We are going to send you the details for a free webinar information session. Listen to some of these testimonials from our business partners.
In March of 2020, I was able to quit my job, replace a almost six-figure income job, so I can now devote more time in ministry.
Thanks to this business, I was able to quit my 9-to-5. I'm not doing the 9-to-5 grind anymore since November 2020, and I was also able to help my family, of course, pay off $50,000 worth of consumer debts and student loans.
We wanted to have generational wealth. And as the Bible says in Proverbs 13:22, a part of it says, a good man leaves an inheritance for his children's children.
I wanted to have more time to serve God and serve others.
One of our dreams many years ago is our fantasy is that if the ministry needed something, instead of raising funds, we could just fund it from our own resources.
I was looking at getting close to the age of retirement, and I'm thinking, I can't survive on what the government's going to pay me.
Now, if you're someone who's coachable, willing to grow, and you need change, take that bold step today. Click the link below and get ready to join us for a journey towards your own online success. Click the link, sarahkariuki.net. My name's Colin. This is my lovely wife, Sarah. We look forward to hearing from you soon. God bless you.